the use of Kwansao or recycling arm as trained on the dummy, and then I'll show you how to apply it in real life, okay? So in the first section, we're here, we're in our ganda, and then my arms recycle and come forward. Let's take a close look at that. My right arm or my low arm is being trapped. I'm moving it to the inside, and my arm comes forward. My left arm, which was high, is going low, and I'm recycling. So my arms are moving, both seen in the first and second section. Actually, it's everywhere, to be honest. So how do we use this? The whole idea of trapping is I'm trapping his arms in. So this is like Wing Chun, right? This is what they're known for. This is what trapping is known for. One arm controls two hit. One arm controls two hit, right? Is the hit going to be big and powerful? Probably not. Because when somebody gets their arms trapped, they don't like that, so he steps back, right? So just that, yeah, see, his arm is free now, right? And that's kind of the hard part. If he fights like that, he's going to get messed up, right? But how do we use this? So this is like how to not get trapped by a trapper using trapping. I fire a punch at him. He blocks low, or sorry, hits low. Then he comes in, and now enter in the trapping world. So he used his Kwansao. He's going to hit me with the back fist. I block it. I'm not trapped yet. So he brings this arm up. He traps me. Ouch! Now I get hit, okay? So this is what the dummy is teaching you. This is what your Sifu Tao is teaching you, is how to untrap yourself. So watch my right arm. I fire. He Kwansao. He clears. Freeze. Notice at that moment there, his hand was here and it came up. If I don't have any training, when that arm comes up, my arm will be here and do some weird ass things. Trust me, I've seen lots of weird things in my day. But if that happens, my arm comes up. So as he goes to trap that one, my Kwansao comes out. And look, Dai Bong Sao or Low Bong Sao, and the arm comes up to Tom Sao. It can come up into Wu Sao as well. I'm here, 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 oh, Wu Sao. Now I can change my Wu Sao, do different things, right? But really, my whole goal here is to not get trapped. So as I punch him, he's clearing, he comes this way, I'm trapped. So if they know trapping, as I rip this arm down and counter him, he doesn't want to get trapped. He brings Kwansao hand up. Oh, he's punching. Oh, look, I get to hit him now. Thank you. He could have been thinking defense. He chose offense. He got punched. Ha ha. So I punch. He comes here. He comes here. I rip that down. He blocks this. Hey, he did Kwansao. Cool. Okay. So the thing is if I rip this down and he again Kwansao and Kwansao and Kwansao, I'm just doing lop. Everybody in Wing Chun knows what this looks like, right? So here's a little cheat for you. Don't keep doing that. Don't repeat the same thing that isn't working. See my low hand? I'm going to punch low. What it's going to do is going to make him go, and then I hit up top. So again, from the top, here, 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 he Kwansao. Oh, low hit, high hit, right? Because you're just messing with him in that moment. The whole idea here is not trapping your arms, okay? In Sifu Tao, I'm here, my elbows come out, and I come forward. I used to train in other Wing Chun styles, and there's nothing wrong with this, of going down and coming up. Right? That's how a lot of Wing Chun schools train the feeling of coming back here. But in Lung Ting system, under Sifu Chris Collin, right, under HKWTA, we open our elbows and we come out. I love this because look, my left hand is trapping my right arm learns to open, this hand comes back out. I can train this at home just by doing this. I'm getting trapped, I come forward. I'm trapped, I come forward. I'm trapped, I come forward. On the dummy though, right, this is trained so often. So first section, Kwansao time, okay? If I just use my arms like this, I can stay, but look at my center line. I've like turned my body, I'm here, right? This is why we step. We step and we feel this, right? Now my arm is learning to come into my body and forward. If I'm tight to it, it gets stuck. So if I'm too tight, that's why I take the step back, move my leg around his leg, and my arm comes forward. My left arm comes in. From here, I can just hit, right? I can practice my lop. So I lop and I hit to here. There's a lot of different things that you can do. Just don't trap yourself, right? I'm here, he goes, boom, I did nothing, I get hit. If I get hit, he's going to keep hitting me again and again. If I keep trying to resist, it's hard and hard and hard. So allow your arms to be soft. I'm here, woo, wow, hey, oh, look, I'm safe. My arm was trapped, it just sprung out. The more it springs out, the more your arms recycle, the less chance of you getting hit. Stay safe out there.